Your engine could be failing right now, and you would have absolutely no idea. No warning light, no unusual noise, no sign of any kind. It looks fine, it drives fine, and everything feels completely normal. But something is already breaking down on the inside, quietly, slowly, and at a cost most drivers only discover when they are standing in front of a mechanic with a repair bill they were not prepared for. In this video, I am going to walk you through all 7 levels of engine damage, from the very first sign almost every driver ignores, all the way to level 7, the point of no return. But pay very close attention when we reach level 4 and level 5, because those are the exact 2 levels that are destroying the most engines on the road right now, and the terrifying part is that most drivers are already sitting there without knowing it. Before we get into it, drop a comment right now and tell me what car you are driving and what condition it is in right now, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly which level your car is sitting at. Most people assume engine damage only happens to old or neglected cars, but the truth is, it starts in cars just like yours, quietly, from something so simple that almost every driver either overlooks it or puts it off just a little too long. Level 1. Dirty oil and oil starvation. Almost every serious engine problem in the world traces back to this level. Your engine has hundreds of metal components moving against each other at thousands of revolutions per minute. The only thing keeping those parts from grinding each other apart is a thin, clean film of engine oil. When that oil gets old, it thickens. When it gets dirty, it stops absorbing heat. When it gets low, entire sections of your engine run without lubrication at all. The dangerous part, dirty oil never announces itself. No shake, no noise, no warning light. It just silently wears down your engine every single day until something far more serious shows up and the damage is already done. An oil change costs between $30 and $60 and takes 20 minutes of your time. The engine damage caused by skipping it costs between $4,000 and $10,000 and takes weeks of your life dealing with mechanics and repair shops. That is the entire gap between level 1 and level 7, and every single engine that reaches level 7 started the journey right here, with oil that was overdue for a change. Level 1 destroys your engine silently over months. But at level 2, your engine stops suffering in silence and starts sending signals. And this is exactly where most drivers make the mistake that costs them everything. Level 2. Check engine light and misfires. The check engine light comes on. Most drivers either panic or cover it with tape and keep driving. And both responses lead to the same expensive outcome. A misfire is the most critical issue to understand here. When a cylinder misfires, unburned raw fuel enters your exhaust and superheats your catalytic converter well beyond its design temperature. A catalytic converter costs between $2,000 and $4,000 to replace. And while that is happening, the misfiring cylinder contributes absolutely zero power, so every remaining cylinder runs hotter and harder than it was ever designed to. More heat means more wear, and more wear means the next level on this list arrives much sooner than it should. A spark plug replacement at this stage costs around $200. Waiting turns that same problem into a $3,500 repair bill. The check engine light is not asking for your attention, it is demanding it. At level 2, your engine warns you through the dashboard. At level 3, it stops using lights and starts using sounds, and engine sounds are never good news. Level 3. Engine knock and strange noises. You hear it while driving, a knocking, ticking, or pinging from under the hood. Most drivers turn up the radio and keep going. That is one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. Engine knock means the fuel mixture is igniting at the wrong moment, creating pressure waves slamming against your cylinder walls instead of pushing the piston down cleanly. Every single knock is a miniature explosion happening in the wrong direction inside your engine, and over time those explosions crack pistons, destroy rod bearings, and score cylinder walls beyond repair. A persistent ticking on cold starts means oil is not reaching the top of your engine fast enough, so your camshaft and valvetrain run completely dry every single morning. A ticking sound means deferred damage. A deep knock means damage already happening. Fix the noise while it is still just a noise, because the next level is where it becomes a catastrophe. The first 3 levels all give you a chance. There are signs to catch, sounds to hear, lights to act on. Level 4 is when the damage stops being a warning and starts being a crisis. And it moves faster than almost any driver expects. We are halfway through all 7 levels. Do not skip ahead. Level 4, 5, and 6 are where the repair bill stops being hundreds and becomes thousands. These are the levels that send engines to the scrapyard. Stay with me. Level 4. Blown head gasket. The head gasket seals the combustion chambers and keeps oil, coolant, and combustion gases completely separated. When it fails, those three systems start mixing, and what follows is fast, severe, and extremely expensive. White smoke from your exhaust means coolant is burning in the combustion chamber. A milky, foamy residue under your oil cap means coolant has contaminated your engine oil. And contaminated oil cannot lubricate anything. It is now circulating through your entire engine, coating every bearing and surface with something that accelerates damage instead of preventing it. Your coolant level drops, your temperature climbs, and aluminum engines can warp their cylinder heads in as little as 10 minutes of running hot. 10 minutes caused $8,000 of cylinder head damage in one real documented case. The head gasket repair costs between $1,500 and $3,000. Ignoring it costs between $5,000 and $12,000. This is the level where drivers start asking whether the car is even worth saving. At level 4, there is still a clear path back. Act immediately, get the car to a mechanic, and the engine can still be saved. But level 5 is the stage where many mechanics will look at what is inside your engine and stop talking about repair entirely. They start talking about replacement. Level 5. Bearing failure and oil pressure loss. Inside your engine, the crankshaft and connecting rods rotate on precision bearings bathed continuously in pressurized oil. Those bearings operate with clearances measured in thousandths of an inch, so precise that even a brief loss of oil pressure causes permanent metal contact. When oil pressure drops from sludge, a failing oil pump, or coolant contamination, those bearings start running dry, and the surfaces wear in ways that cannot be undone. The sound is a deep, heavy, rhythmic knocking that gets louder as the engine warms up. Mechanics call it rod knock, and when they hear it, they already know the engine is in serious trouble. If your oil pressure warning light comes on while driving, pull over immediately and shut the engine off. Do not drive to the next exit. Every second you keep going is permanently destroying your crankshaft. Catch it early, and bearing replacement costs between $500 and $1,500. Miss that window and a full engine rebuild starts at $4,000 and climbs significantly depending on how far the damage spread and how many surrounding components were affected in the process. Level 5 can sometimes be saved with a rebuild if caught fast. But level 6 is where the damage reaches the core structure of the engine itself. And even a rebuild becomes a very difficult conversation. I know a lot of people skip to the end. But if your car has shown any sign from level 4 or 5, white smoke, milky oil, a deep knock, or an oil pressure warning, you need to hear level 6 and 7. These explain why so many engines end up as complete write-offs. 2 more minutes. Level 6. Overheating and structural destruction. Overheating does not always come from neglect. A failed water pump, a burst coolant hose, a stuck thermostat, any of these can push a perfectly maintained engine into catastrophic damage within minutes. The moment your temperature gauge enters the red zone, a chain of destruction begins. Cylinder heads warp. Pistons expand beyond their tolerances and seize inside the cylinder walls, either cracking or welding themselves permanently in place. A single overheating event caught within minutes can still cause $8,000 of damage. One ignored for 20 or 30 minutes can crack the engine block entirely. And a cracked block cannot be repaired, only replaced. At level 6, the repair estimate very often exceeds the value of the vehicle itself. Most drivers at this level say the same thing. The temperature gauge had been creeping up for weeks, and they told themselves it was nothing. That decision is what turned a warning into a total loss. Level 6 is catastrophic, but there is still a decision to make. Level 7 removes it entirely, because at level 7, the engine has already made it for you. Level 7. Complete engine failure. The engine has seized, a connecting rod has snapped, or the damage has compounded across so many ignored levels that it simply cannot run anymore. You may have heard a sudden violent bang followed by a car that will not move, or it may have been a slow death, each level quietly doing its work until one day the car did not start. Full replacement means a used engine at between $1,500 and $4,000 plus labor, or a new one starting at $6,000 and going well beyond $10,000. But the hardest truth about level 7 is this. Every single engine that reaches it passed through level 1 first. The oil change that kept getting pushed back. The check engine light ignored for months. The knock that was easier to dismiss. These are not stories about bad luck. They are stories about small decisions made one at a time, each one reasonable on its own, each one slightly more expensive than the last, that compounded quietly over months and years until they turned a $30 oil change into a $10,000 engine replacement. The engine that just failed today did not fail today. It started failing a long time ago. Check your oil today. Not this weekend, today. If your check engine light is on, get it scanned this week. If you hear any knock or tick, stop driving until a mechanic looks at it. And if your temperature gauge ever hits the red, pull over immediately. Every single level in this video is completely stoppable before it becomes the next one, but only if you act when the sign is small. Subscribe. The next video covers the one sensor that fails silently in almost every car and sends engines straight to level 5 without a single warning.